So in this practice, frequency of FM Tokyo radio station is 80 MHz. Speed of light is 3 times 10 to 8 meter per second. Find the wavelengths of radio waves coming from the FM Tokyo stations. So frequency F is 80 MHz. So you have to change the convert of the mega. Is a 10 to 6. And the hertz is a 1 over second. So it becomes 80 times 10 to 6 per second. This is a hertz, F frequency. And the speed of light is 3 times 10 to 8 meter per second. From these two information, we would like to discover the wavelengths. Actually, see if you multiply the F and lambda, you can find out the C. C equal F lambda. So from these equations, lambda is expressed C over F. You can substitute 3 times 10 to 8 meter per second over 80 times 10 to 6 per second. And the second is going to be cancelled out. So this is 30 over 8 meters. So 3.75 meters. This is the wavelength of the radio waves coming from FM Tokyo stations. This is the answer to these questions.